Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase's Vault feature. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's Vault feature, this video is for you. Just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time because it's gonna be a really quick video. Let's just get straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to log into your Coinbase account. Now you can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website with your computer. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the accounts tab. Now once you're there, you're going to select the wallet or account, and then you're going to click on Vault. And once that's done, you can set up the vault by creating a new wallet address and then transfer funds to the vault and just confirm the vault setup. So yeah, pretty simple and straightforward, and that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's Vault feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.